Hey, welcome back. In this video, I want to talk about why YouTube is one of the best side hustle ideas for 2021 and beyond. Before we jump into the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Okay, now let's jump right into this. Why YouTube? And I get this question a lot. A lot of people want to start side hustles and passive income businesses in 2021 or beyond. And I always say content creation, building your YouTube channel is one of the best, if not the best option. And why? Let me show you why. So when you create, and here's my small YouTube channel, I do own, manage, or help with a lot of different YouTube channels. This is one of my main channels, my personal brand. So when you create content on YouTube, right, number one, you educate your audience, right? And as a byproduct, number two, you build your personal brand. When people know, like, and trust you, they're likely to do business with you, right? Now, let me show you, let's go behind the scenes. So when you create a YouTube channel and you create consistent videos, that's the thing. Nothing works without consistency. So whether you start a YouTube channel, e-commerce business, Amazon FBA, or any other type of business, you have to be consistent. You know that, right? Now, look at this. When you create a YouTube channel and you stay consistent with it, I want to show you some of the revenue streams that come with it. So first revenue stream is you make money from YouTube ads. And yes, you do have to get monetized, but once you get monetized, if you stay consistent, you will be monetized sooner or later. Now, when you do get monetized, let's go into the YouTube studio, which is the analytics. And I want to show you how much this small YouTube channel is making. So this channel right here, look at the numbers. Last 28 days, we have made $1,100. So I know it's not a lot, but it's been very consistent. So let's go to analytics now. And let's look at, and I'm going to go to the revenue. So these are the numbers for last 28 days. And you can select any time frame from here. So look at the last 28 days. And we have made over $1,000 on this channel. And there's a lot of other types of data here as well. But let's go to the revenue tab, which is right here. And I want to show you, let's scroll down. And I want to show you how consistent this income has been, or this revenue stream has been from YouTube ads. So look at this. January, 1,100, December, almost 900, November, 939, October, almost 1,000, September, 800. So YouTube ads revenue, it's small, it's very small, but it has been very, very, very consistent. Now, that's one revenue stream, right? The second revenue stream is, let's talk about that. And in some cases, that can be huge for some people. And that is making money from affiliate marketing. So when you look at some of the content, so when I create videos, so when you look at the description, I do recommend different tools that I use. And these are affiliate links, right? So when people click on these, and if they purchase or buy or sign up, guess what? I get a kickback, right? So this is the second revenue stream. And I want to show you just one example. And I use several of these links here. But let's go to one of the tools that I recommend a lot, which is Ingrammer. If you ever want to treat your Instagram as a CRM, this is the tool you want to use. So if you go to the dashboard, and let's look at the affiliate, and let's go to the payout. And now look at this. So in the last couple of months, I have made over $2,500 on this from this link, from one affiliate link. And look at this, a lot. It's very, very consistent too. So sometimes it's $300, $362, $200. Every 2 weeks, I get paid that much money. So that's a second revenue stream you can make from your YouTube channel. So first one, ads, second one, affiliate marketing. And don't forget, I do run an agency. A lot of people reach out to me to hire me for my services. So that's a third revenue stream. If you have merchandise platforms like Amazon, Shopify, Amazon Merch, you can create some revenue from those as well. So there are multiple ways you can create revenue streams for you or your business when you build a YouTube channel. Ads, affiliates, selling your services, selling your products, selling your merchandise, and don't forget brand deals. I haven't done a lot of brand deals on this channel, and guess what? My channel is very small still, only 15,000 subscribers. If you stay consistent, if you grow your brand on YouTube, you can do a lot of good stuff. So this is why YouTube, creating a YouTube channel, sharing your knowledge, sharing your expertise, it creates a cycle. It creates a cycle of multiple revenue streams, and also you build your personal brand and attract your relevant, your right audience to you that you can monetize in any way that you like. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.